Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to add email signature in Outlook. So let's start. So here is our HTML email signature file. So first we have to open this in our browser. After opening, we have to press Ctrl or Command A, then Ctrl or Command C. Then we have to come here in Outlook. Then we have to press this settings button. Then view all Outlook settings. From this mail tab, then compose and reply, and here click once, then press Ctrl or Command V. Here is our signature. So now we have to save this. So here is our save button. So press save. So here is our signature. This is completely working.